Hello, my name is Yvonne Dooley, your librarian for the G. Brent Ryan College of Business. In this short video, I'll go over how to find company financial information in library databases. Please note, you can pause, rewind, and restart this video at any time. Now, I'm not an expert on corporate finance by any means, but I do know the basics, including why company financials are even available to the public. To make a long story short, after the Wall Street crash of 1929, laws were passed to help ensure investors were given accurate information to make informed buying decisions. And the agency created to enforce those new laws was the Securities Exchange Commission, or SEC. As a result, U.S. public companies, meaning those companies that have sold all or a portion of themselves to public investors and trade on a stock exchange, are required by law to disclose specific financial information to the SEC periodically. However, private companies, those owned by their founders, management, or private investors, are not required to disclose any financial information to the SEC. That's why it's so much easier to find financial information for public companies rather than private ones. For this video, I'll focus on financial information for public companies. I'm also going to stick with library subscription databases since they offer helpful features and information that free services don't, and your student fees pay for them. In order to access library subscription databases, you need to go to the library homepage at library.unt.edu. Under the Start Your Research section, click on the Databases button and type the name of the database you'd like to search. There are only a few databases that UNT Libraries subscribe to that offer company financials, including Emergent Intellect, Morningstar, Nexus Uni, and ValueLine. Each database offers different features that may be useful to you based on what you're doing with the information. I'll be covering Emergent Intellect, Morningstar, and ValueLine in this video. First, let's look at Emergent Intellect. Type Emergent Intellect in the first search box and click on it when it comes up. If you're accessing the database remotely, you'll need to provide your EUID and password when prompted. In the main search box, type in the name of your company. Once you type the company name, choose the one you're looking for from the drop-down list, or just click on the search icon. Once the company record comes up, you can either click on the Financials Details tab or the SEC Filings tab. The Financial Details tab will show you high-level financial information under the subcategories Historical Financial, Income Statement, Balance Sheet, Cash Flow, Ratio, Price Chart, and Historical Pricing. The SEC Filings tab will provide you access to all the government filings the company has submitted to the SEC, which can be downloaded in multiple formats, including Microsoft Excel. This can be helpful if you need to manipulate the data for a class assignment. The other databases will also be pretty straightforward to search. Next up is Morningstar. So we'll go back to our library homepage at library.unt.edu. Click on the navigational button that says Databases and type in Morningstar. Click on the name when it comes up in the drop-down list. Once in the database, you can either enter the name of the company or the ticker symbol in the search box. A ticker symbol is the unique identifier for a company's stock that is usually an abbreviated version of the company name, such as MSFT for Microsoft. Once the name of the company appears in the drop-down list, click on it. You'll be presented with a lot of information, including graphs and charts of high-level financials from the company's income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow. Morningstar is an investment research firm with the purpose of providing easy-to-understand data and analysis for both beginner and expert investors. They are a reliable and respected source in the field of finance, but keep in mind their focus is on investments. A similar investment research database is ValueLine. In addition to providing reliable data and analysis on companies, industries, markets, and economies, ValueLine offers proprietary ranking and rating systems along with specialized tools that help identify investments based on specific criteria. Again, to search the database, type the company name or ticker symbol into the search box and click the name when it comes up in the drop-down list. The financials are hidden, so you first need to expand the menu that you'll see by scrolling up and down the right-hand side of the record. Once expanded, you can select Financial Statements or SEC Filings, and the results will show up in a separate box that you can expand further. If you can't remember what databases cover financial information, go to the library website and click on the Subject and Course Guides button. Then type in Company Research in the Browse Subjects search box. You'll come to a guide that I put together on conducting company research with a section on databases that include financials and SEC filings. Using these tips and tools, you'll be able to find reliable company financials using library databases. But if you run into any trouble, you can contact me at yvonne.dooley@unt.edu or click the Ask Us button on our website for additional assistance.